Junior high 8th grade football team. Number 1, Michael Miller. Number 3, Hunter Peterson. Number 5, Jaredon Young. Number 6, Christopher Matlock. Number 7, Gavin Hicks. Number 8, Matt Wilkerson. Number 9, Rylan Bell. Number 12, Aiden Dawes. Number 15, Ben Callclaver. Number 16, Landon Maurer. Number 18, Caden Tomlinson. Number 20, Justin Finley. Number 21, Logan Davis. Number 22, Dace Wisdom. Number 23, Amari White. Number 31, Patrick Clark. Number 32, Jordan Berry. Number 33, Isaac Lemunion. Number 34, Caden Neely. Number 36, Drayden Ray. Number 37, Mikhail McFarland. Number 38, Owen Sutton. 39, Ethan Adams. Number 51, Hudson Matthews. Number 53, Dane Dugas. 55, Tayson King. Number 56, Braylon Duckett. Number 60, Tyden Wilson. Number 65, Nathan Button. Number 68, Caleb Dover. Number 72, Logan Goodluck. Number 75, Cameron Jackson. Number 77, Dalton Markham. 3 guys that have a very important job with us, do a lot of our dirty work. Parker Hicks, Jace Littles, and John Scott. Hey, these guys started getting ready in June for this football season, so we're pushing about 3 months now. You've got 3 chances to come watch us play. Today, next Thursday, and the following Thursday. All those games are at home. Guys have been working really hard. Come out and give them some support.